Secretary, Vice President Sara Duterte is accusing Malacanang of sending several personnel from the embassy in The Hague to conduct allegedly, in her own words, a scam welfare check. May we verify po if may pinadala po ba ang Malacanang para mag-check sa kalagayan ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa ICC detention facility?
Hi, Sec. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Recently, the ICC released the document containing the 3 counts of murder charges filed by the prosecution against former President Rodrigo Duterte. Just want to ask the palace reaction on this.
Hingi lang po rin kami ng reaction. Sinabi kasi ni VP Sara na may may bansa na handang tumanggap kay dating Pangulong Duterte sakaling mapagbigyan yung kanyang interim release.
No reaction. The government, the Philippine government has nothing to do with the investigation, with the hearing or proceedings before the ICC. So hayaan na po natin ang mga prosecutors doon at ang mga witnesses na silang gumanap ng kanilang katungkulan.